Arce on tap. Good serve. Savvy with a good pass. Brought to you by Dunkin', pasalubong ng bayan. PLDT, rin ganun.
Naging MVP.
De, pero bago pa, nung nasa PLDT, di ba?
She was also the main opposite there.
Malaluan gets her 9th point. 15 will be serving 12, and Super Savvy goes back to serve.
It's just how she goes over the
All of boulders. Good pass by Kat. Buding has been so active. No Dawn today. She has not played and probably won't.
Oh!
Aliyah goes long. Isa pa, si Aliyah matalino rin maglaro talaga eh.
Yeah.
Madiscard.